Hi children, let's do an interesting exercise in punctuation. And here we are going to do only apostrophe, possession, something that belongs to somebody. Okay? So it's a very interesting exercise. Punctuation, and we are going to do only apostrophe. What is that? If you say Mary's bag, okay? That is apostrophe. Mary's bag. Daddy's car. Let's look at our first picture. Look at this. In this exercise, we not only observe the picture, not only look at the punctuation apostrophe, but we are also learning to read. You are becoming clever by looking at and reading. The sentence begins with a capital letter, full stop, and look very carefully. Apostrophe, the possessive, before the S, there's a nice red apostrophe for you to observe. Look at the picture. There's a little girl sitting in the car. What does she say? Huh? What does she say? Look at my car, she says. What's her name? Her name is Tina. This is whose car? This is Tina's car. Possession only belongs to Tina. So this is Tina car. We can't say Tina's. Apostrophe and S is there. The car belongs to Tina. Read the sentence. This is Tina's car. Only Tina's car. Did you enjoy reading the sentence? So the apostrophe after Tina's name, showing that Tina's possession. This is Tina's car. Good. Let's look at another picture. Good. Here we go. Look at this. Who's sitting here? Rohin. What's he looking at? He's looking at his shoes. He's looking at his shoes. Rohin. This is Rohin's shoes. So he's taken his shoes, dusting it, and he's putting it on his feet. This is Rohin's shoes. Whose shoes? Can you put on Rohin's shoes? No. Possession. Rohin. Look at the apostrophe after his name. Rohin's shoes. Good. Now you learn to read the full sentence. Didn't you? This is Rohin's shoes. Full stop at the end. Let's look at a new picture and learn to place the apostrophe correctly. Look. Who is this on the bike? On the bicycle you have Sam. What does Sam say? He says, look at my bicycle. This is my bicycle. Let's read the sentence. This is Sam's cycle. Whose cycle is this? Sam. Where is Sam? Is on the cycle. After Sam, saw the apostrophe here? Sam's cycle. This is Sam's cycle. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's look at another picture. Yes. See what we have here? Somebody is holding up the umbrella and says, look at my umbrella. So colorful and so beautiful. Who is this? This is Pam. What is Pam doing? Lifting, putting up her umbrella and say, look at my umbrella. Whose umbrella is this? Pam's umbrella. Okay, let's read the sentence. This is Pam's umbrella. Look at the apostrophe after Pam. This is Pam's umbrella. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look who is here. Happily singing, showing off the sweet little voice that she has. Who is this? She is Meena. She's singing on the stage. What kind of voice she has? She's very sweet voice. So everyone says, Meena's voice is sweet. What does all her friends say? Meena's, look at that apostrophe after Meena. Meena's voice is sweet. Good. Let's go on to another picture. I hope you are enjoying the exercise. Yes, to place the apostrophe. Yes, correctly. Look at this. This is Rohin. Okay? Rohin. Let's read the sentence. And what's he doing, Rohin? He's got a sipper. It's a hot day. He's sipping up his water. Let's read the sentence. This is Rohin's sipper. You won't give to anybody. Yes. This Rohin. Look at the apostrophe. Rohin's sipper. Whose sipper is this? This sipper belongs to Rohin. So the sentence says, this is Rohin's sipper. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look what you have here. Oh, Rona is hugging her pet. She loves her little pet dog. And she's hugging her. Look. Whose pet is this? Rona's pet. Look at Rona. Look at the apostrophe after Rona. Whose pet is this? This is Rona's pet. This pet belongs to Rona. Good. Let's get on with another picture. Look at this mama and baby. Mother cat and the little kitten playing. Whose baby is this? Definitely this cat's baby. Let's read. This is cat's baby. This is mama cat. Cat's baby. This is cat's baby. Look at the apostrophe after cat. This is cat's baby. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look, Ben. It looks so happy. Who is very happy here? Ben. What's he doing? He's playing, kicking the ball. Ben is kicking the ball. Whose ball is this? This is Ben's ball. He's taking out into the field to play. Let's read the sentence. This is Ben's ball. After Ben, look at the apostrophe. This ball belongs to Ben. This is Ben's ball. Good. Let's take another picture. What do you see here? Who is sitting here? Ram is drinking some water. Yes? Whose kitchen is this? Ram's kitchen. So he's very thirsty. He went into his kitchen to drink some water. Let's read the sentence. This is Ram's kitchen. Look at the apostrophe after Ram. This kitchen belongs to Ram. Yes? Whose kitchen is this? This is Ram's kitchen. Only Ram's kitchen, not yours. So you learnt? Put the apostrophe correctly after the name, showing possession. This is Ram's kitchen. Are you enjoying exercise? Good. Let's get on with another new picture. Look what you have here. Oh, look at the Barbie hugging her doll. Who is this? Barbie. What is Barbie telling? Oh, look at my cute little dog. Do you want the dog? Let's read the sentence. This is Barbie's dog. After Barbie, look at the apostrophe. This is whose dog? Barbie's dog. This little dog belongs to Barbie. Barbie's dog. Apostrophe comes after the name Barbie. Good. Shall we get on with another picture? See what you have here. There's a bowl of milk. And who is there ready to lap it up? Cat. Now whose bowl of milk this is? It is the pussy cat. You go take it. She'll be very angry. Let's read. This is pussy's milk. Whose bowl of milk this is? Pussy's milk. Pussy apostrophe S. Whose bowl of milk this is? This is pussy's milk. Can you take that milk from her? No. Apostrophe look. Look at the read the sentence. This is pussy's milk. And pussy looks very happy. Shall we look at another picture? See what you have here. Somebody is happy playing with clay. Reena. She's concentrating, trying to make nice shapes out of those colored clay. Whose Ball of clay, this is Reena's. Yes, this is Reena's clay. Is it yours? No. This is Reena's clay. After Reena, look at the apostrophe. Look carefully. Let's read the sentence together. This is Reena's clay. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Shall we get on with the new picture? See what you have. Somebody is busy writing. Who is writing? Kathy. What does Kathy say? Look at my beautiful, huge pencil. Now, this is Kathy's pencil. Is it your pencil? No. Look at Kathy. Name Kathy. After this an apostrophe showing possession. The Kathy's. Whose pencil is this? Kathy's. Read the sentence with me. This is Kathy's pencil. Good.